Wow, you found so many. The Easter Bunny was busy. I'm taking a video. You found another one?
Yeah. I found 5 eggs. A pink one. What does it mean?
Oh.
Found more?
I think the Easter Bunny has to hide them in harder spots next year. We have to tell him.
This is a big egg, Mommy, than the other ones.
There's a few hard ones I think that I see already. You're going to keep looking. I see them. Why is that there?
What?
Harder spots. Harder spots. Angie's purple ball. I see Angie's purple ball.
Yay! Angie, look!